I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a Ford Fusion with the remote. Press lock once, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds to engage the engine. If your Fusion uses a keypad or app, follow the alternate unlocking step first and then use the remote start sequence. Always ensure the car is in park and that the check engine light is not illuminated before starting remotely. Prepare your Fusion for remote start by confirming safety and readiness. Verify the transmission is in park and the hood is securely closed, as many systems prevent remote start if the hood sensor is open. Check that no warning lights demand attention and that the fuel level will support remote running. Finally, stand within the effective range of the remote or remain connected to the vehicle app to ensure the start command transmits correctly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. I love the leak-proof meal prep containers for storing a snack or coffee while you warm up your car, and they seal tight so no spills in the cup holder. They save time on busy mornings and pair nicely with remote start convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use the key fob sequence to trigger the Fusion remote start safely. First, press lock to ensure doors are secure, then press and hold the remote start button until the headlights flash or engine starts. If you hear a click but the engine doesn't run, wait and try once more. A weak fob battery often causes intermittent issues. For app-based systems, send the start command through the manufacturer app and confirm vehicle status before approaching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.